Heck yeah, dude. Coldest day of the year. Got some good news. It's Friday out here working on the Banshee. According to USPS, my jet kit's going to be here a day early. So we got the front wheels off. We're going to pull these front brakes off and get the hubs off and actually try and lube them up. See how them bearings are real good. Clean it out. And then we're going to possibly drain the, not drain the brake fluid, but purge it pretty much. Swap the brake fluid. So that's the plans. So y'all seen in the video Thursday that hub was broke. I've got some +2 for each side hubs. Obviously I'm gonna have to strip these because I don't like the orange on them, but they're chrome underneath. Yeah, those look okay. Cool.
I'll take a file.
Let's see if this is the same size. Yeah, I'll get it grooved it up. This is supposed to be smooth.
Yep.
We gotta polish it.
Like the rest of this.
Yeah. Yep, fits. Hell yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and strip the paint off of these before we go any further, and then we'll get them put on. And this thing's gonna have a.
Just gonna burn it off, right?
Wider booty. So the extended hubs worked, but we gotta get this orange paint off of them. So we're gonna strip them, and they're back down to chrome like that. But we just got a couple bolts in the tires. Whenever I get or lugs on the tires, whenever I get the stripper tomorrow, I'm just gonna pull them off and strip them right here. It'll only take a minute or two for the stuff to do its thing, and then
just tape off the axle.
She'll be chromethith. No, I'll go ahead and strip that too.
Just rev it up, and I'll hit it with some black paint.
There you go. That'll. Yeah, while it's spinning.
Coat.
Oh yeah. You just can't stop spinning it till it dries.
Yeah, spin coat. You never heard of that?
Oh yeah, spin coat. The jets are supposed to be here for the carb. We're gonna get the overflow bottle on, the coolant in, all that kind of fun stuff. So that's where we're at now. Blake, you wanna bust these open?
Shit.
Don't bust them. Don't Blake. Hey, don't Blake them fenders.
All right. Shit. I ain't talking about school, but I'm finna bust them.
They're freaking brittle, probably, dude. I told you I snapped the big red fender the other day again, right?
Yeah.
Trying to do a donut. Good thing I didn't put new ones on it yet. What's that warning say? Do not fucking even look at.
Don't touch.
Don't look.
Not for actual use.
Blake's got his head up his ass, guys.
No, I don't. I gotta get this down first.
See this, Mayor? A little bit further back.
Extend it?
Yeah, I'm trying to extend the swing arm. There we go.
Dude, that'll be good.
Dude, put the white ones on it, too. That's so shit. A back seat, dude.
Dude, another set of
handlebars.
Axle.
Another third axle? Hell yeah. That would be pretty
make
sweet.
A dually.
Damn, that bitch is shining new.
Or a 6-wheeler. We can
Look
make a
at
dually
Blake's
too.
freaking drug fingers on it. So this is a sticker, and it could always go on the channel. But you guys just hit me up, I guess. Whenever they hit me up, this sticker will be facing y'all. Filter mitt. New filter. Old airbox ProFlow intake. Boys, look at that. Blake even didn't even lose all the screws.
That's automatic cold air.
So we can swap this. Oh, that filter won't fit that. It might. We'll see. Let's pull this filter and see if it'll fit. Let's clean out this airbox.
It's real close.
Yeah, it looks like it'll kind of oval out, huh? We did the toys delete. Now we got to put in the idle screws. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these caps off, take these carbs out so we can do it. It's the color that the overflow gas will be. Cool new filter. We're going to get this airbox on, the plastics on. Did you clean out there? Oh, you got to take it back off now.
Shit.
Nah, brand new motor, dog. We don't play that.
Damn.
Hell, damn what? Man, that's why you got a good filter. Just to keep that shit. The other filter was good. Look, it kept all that dirt out.
I know, man.
That's what I'm screaming.
I already cleaned this bitch out once. We took it off and already cleaned it up. It's full of dirt toppers. I really dig it.
Yeah, I could tell. That's why I was all like, we gotta clean it out again. That carb kit. Man, there was this little bag, and it come with, I might have put it in the Banshee box. It come with a couple idle adjusters and lock nuts, a drill bit, and a tapper, remember? Shoot, back at it. It's Friday. Maybe you guys will get it before next Thursday. We're up in here. Maybe it's on P.O.Box. Looking for this kit they send with me. Now I'm a little nervous, dudes, because I didn't want to use those the other day, but now I'm realizing I probably ain't gonna idle them and have to. So, which I mean, I don't really need my Banshee to idle because I'm just pinning the throttle. I really don't understand who need them to idle, but whatever. So I'm gonna make it idle for whatever pussy buys it. We're putting coolant in her, and we forgot about these little, I guess, bleeders, or where you drain the coolant from the cylinders, I suppose. I don't know what the hell the purpose is. All I know is they leak. We got little tiny O-ring, washer, and a nut. Show them what you got.
Yeah, that's
Straight scrap that together. That's pretty much a lot of the customization of this build. That's a lot of it.
to the hanger. It was like, God damn, it's cold.
Yeah, forget this. I'm gonna eat enough to pass out. Yeah. Baby, I'm sorry.
Hey,
I was wrong.
I was out of line.
I was wrong for that, you know? And the more time I had to think about it, you and the kids aren't pieces of shit.
Yeah, and you know what? I don't hate my kids.
Or y'all. And fine, I'm gonna kill myself. Oh my God. Oh.
And then I get up.
Hell no. Not no, but hell no. There's the whole all the kit, boys. Sweet. Get them on in a minute. Ooh, getting that stuff going. Usually this is where we sandblast the stuff.
I'm hand blasting it right now.
Hand blasting? Dude, that's gonna grab so good.
Finger blasting.
Nice. Stunner.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, she's good. She's happy now. Oh, finished. I mean, she's finished.
She's finished.
Okay, so polished parts, dude. Blake polished these.
And
Damn.
I ported the foot pegs.
And polished them.
Yeah.
Sanded them, really, is what it.
Well, I ported them for aerodynamics.
Nice. We're gonna slap some rhino liner on them. This is brought to you by Stank Modelo. By Modelis. That's why it gets a scent. And if you
see how
eat
much I
this,
chugged?
it's like Tinschlager, Goldschlager beer.
Yeah, no, that's real gold.
So you just chew on that, take a drink,
Yeah.
and then that way,
It's, instead of like beer salt, this is for men.
and it clears out your pee hole, I think is what they say it does.
It definitely does the opposite, but whatever.
It dirties up your, it dirts up your
Hey,
pee
but
hole.
you know, people do crazy shit for the things they love.
So we got a few parts here. We got both pegs. This is one side that he's done. This is what the shit side look. But we're not gonna put new Nerf bars on.
Yeah, that one's not even done yet.
We're not gonna put new Nerf bars on until we got, you know, something looking decent. Not too bad, fellers. A little bling. A little extra bling for it. New nerves. Rhino line pegs. That looks a lot better. The brake lever's painted and the front cover. So we had some of these offset hubs because y'all seen the hub yesterday or the other day in the build. When I was putting the tires on, was snapped in half. So we're gonna go ahead and get it swapped out. Got the Nerf bars on. Daggum. Oh my God.
She's doing a beer chug right now.
Heck yeah, dude.
Straight race
Shotgunning it.
Yeah, beer bomb and some race gas.
Heck yeah, dudes. We're that close to firing her up. As you can see, the stripper worked. Got the orange off there. About to fire her up. Got a full tank of gas. Sweet. First try. I'm gonna need a flathead. Would you grab me one, dog? big Texas size 10-4, boys. Like a half turn. Then we'll go from there. Ready for me to try it?
Yeah.
That's it right there on. That's pretty Stevens. I ain't even hit her with the shine yet, dudes. That's what's next. What's up, Big Red? Thursday, get us some ripping footage, see what this 400 will do against these two Banshees, guys. And be sure and like and subscribe, comment below, and send in your footage. Shout out Sunday, I'm gonna give y'all one. Oh damn, boys, almost rolled my ankle on that one. Good God almighty, Rolo. Sweet, dude. Athena 400 top end. Right now we got it jetted at 410 just because we're supposed to be fat for break-in. Super fat. You want them super fat for break-in. Then we're going to step it down to 370 and then we'll play between 370 and 350. Where it needs to be. New chain sprockets, clutch, crank, top end. Sigma jet kit will be here Monday. I threw this one together, so we'll put in what they have for me on Monday. We'll see how it goes. Appreciate it. Maybe now it's a $5,000 Banshee, but although somebody's going to tell me it's not, I'm sure. All right? That one's done too, fellers. Yeah, get up in there. It needs a back shock. Blake still wants to send it.
She gonna sell.
She gonna sell. Damn, dude, it's so fat on the jetting. What's up, dudes? It's Shout Out Sunday. Spare Banshee video right here. Extra Banshee video, I guess. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you this one early. I'm gonna give you all a few shout outs because like I said, it's Sunday, and you guys get up in the comments, be sure and like and subscribe and share these videos, dudes. Damn, started first kick, dudes. I got the choke on for a minute. Want to keep her as rich as I can. Hey-ya! We'll do another break-in on it today. While hold it like that, sideways. I'm gonna do another break-in on it real quick. Pretty much a third heat cycle. Might put it around a little bit, try and get this tank of gas through it today. And then when the jets come here Monday or Tuesday, I'm gonna step it down big time on the jetting. Go feel that power band, dudes. We'll go feel that 400 power band. Get up in there, dudes. Oh yeah. So we got y'all some swap meet action coming up next Sunday. This CRF 110 build coming up. We just finished it. Runs pretty good. We kind of have an air leak in the intake somewhere. So we're going to get that figured out. And then we have your CR60 video coming up here pretty soon. Thursday, we're going to get you another Banshee video. And we'll actually be ripping it. So it's about broken. I've ridden it a little bit. I'm going to adjust the clutch some and then get those other jets in it and see what it'll do. Might even let Blake go pull the top speed run on the road or something if he's up for it. I've sent him out on a couple Banshees. Our roads are pretty messed up. It's kind of hard to commit on our roads on a Banshee because they got potholes all in them. So appreciate it, guys. Get up in there, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on Thursday. Guys, it's Shout Out Sunday. Check out Richard and his wife, aka Zadrone, ripping it up on these TRXs, little 700XX, 400EX. Jason Nelson ripping it up on this Yamaha Breeze, doing him some donuts. Little John Henderson Jr. whipping his quad around. Cool stuff, guys. Appreciate you sending it in. My boy Andre out there getting down on the 1000 Can-Am. Give me those videos, TimeMachines, at Outlook.com, so I can put you on there. Do it. Do it. Hey, do it. Give me them videos. Do it. Do it.